Okay, this is Mr. Peterson, and I'm giving you some examples for problems 15, 16, and 17 on the 8.1 worksheet. And in this problem, you're supposed to figure out the percent increase or decrease. Now, which one it is usually pretty obvious, but this farm worker in this first example here is going from $12.40 an hour to $14.26. It's pretty much an increase because his wages are going up. So what you do in these problems is you divide the new amount by the old amount. So in this case, the new amount is $14.26. He's happy for that raise. And you divide that by $12.40. And that'll give you a decimal answer. So we'll replicate that on this calculator here. $14.26 divided by 12.40. That's 1.15. Now you convert that to a percentage, and when you restore the percent sign, you can see we're going to have to put the percent sign on here. You move your decimal to the right, so that's 115%, and now we simply compare that with 100%. It's 100% with an increase of an extra 15%. And that increase there, you write it like this. 15% increase is your answer. So that's a 15% increase in the wages. Now on this next one here, it's also an increase. We're going from 18,460 students to, students, residents in this city, to a higher total of 25,161.
The courtesy committee is meeting now in the library. The courtesy committee is meeting now in the library. Thank you.
So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the new amount of residents, which is 25,061, and divide it by the original amount. It's always original amount on the bottom, or older amount on the bottom. And then you convert this into a decimal. So we'll do that on the calculator. 25,061 divided by 18,460. So that comes out, I'm going to have to round here to 1.35, and I'll go one more decimal here, 8. Move your decimal 2 spots over to make a percentage out of this. And then you compare with 100%. This is 100% with an extra 35.8% added to it. So this is a 35.8% increase. Now I'm going to do one where you have a decrease, so we have a complete example, and I really didn't provide for that, so I'm just going to make up an example here. Let's say that your original cost of an item in the store is $43.50, but it goes on sale for $38.75. So this is your original cost, and this is your new cost, and you can see that since it went down, it's some sort of sale. So we're going to take $38.75 divided by $43.50. It's 0.89. I'm going to say, I'll just say 0.89 there. I'm going to round a little bit, 0.89. And if you convert that into a percentage, you'll move your decimal to the right when you restore the percent sign. If you lose the percent sign, you move it to the left. So now you compare with 100%, and this one is 11% lower than that. You can take 100 minus 11, you'll get 89. So this is an 11% decrease. And that does it for problems 15, 16, and 17 on your homework. And I hope that helps you understand how to do that.